Welcome to our podcast, which focuses intensively on health and healthy aging. In today's episode, we focus on the topic of skin aging and the ways to counteract this natural process. We will introduce you to measures to reverse the signs of aging based on the latest scientific evidence. This time, we're focusing on measures that anyone can easily implement without having to change their entire lifestyle. Although, of course, a healthy lifestyle is always preferable from a holistic perspective. Join us on this exciting journey to maintaining youthful skin. It is important to emphasize that our focus is not on vanity. Rather, the appearance of our skin reflects our life expectancy. When we see a young person in the mirror, we are more likely to identify as young people and tend to practice healthy lifestyle habits. Below, we present strategies for maintaining skin health that are designed to fit seamlessly into a typical daily routine. The first strategy starts after showering with applying a moisturizer that contains two key ingredients. It is crucial to choose a moisturizer that contains ceramides. Ceramides act as a type of glue that holds our skin cells together and helps keep our skin barrier healthy and intact. A double-blind, randomized, controlled study conducted in 2019 with 24 participants showed a statistically significant reduction in the number of wrinkles and an improvement in skin texture on the ceramide-treated side after 28 days. This underlines the importance of ceramides in skincare. Another important ingredient in skincare is nicotinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It helps improve the skin's barrier function by reducing water loss through the outer layer of the skin and improves skin tone by reducing pigmentation, spots, and redness of aging skin. It may therefore be useful to take a multivitamin and/or mineral supplement containing vitamin B3 if necessary, especially if it is not possible to meet the requirement through diet, which should always be the preferred option. A moisturizer that contains ceramides and nicotinamide is recommended for use on the skin. These ingredients help improve skin health and can help counteract signs of aging. This leads us to the next strategy for maintaining our skin health: choosing a sunscreen with a specific ingredient. First, the only criticism against sunscreen concerns safety, which we will talk about shortly. A large 2013 study involving 903 adults examined sunscreen use. It showed that the group that used sunscreen daily showed no detectable increases in skin aging after 4.5 years. You could effectively stop skin aging simply by using sunscreen regularly. A follow-up study in 2016 even showed a reversal of some signs of skin aging attributed to sunscreen use alone. However, there are concerns about sunscreen ingredients. In general, sunscreen ingredients are divided into mineral and chemical sunscreens. While chemical sunscreens offer better protection from the sun's UV rays and are easier to apply, unlike most mineral sunscreens, they are absorbed through the skin. This has led to concerns that these ingredients could cause hormone disruption. These concerns were based on single-cell and mouse studies in which large amounts of these ingredients were administered. In fact, they found that it disrupted hormonal responses. However, human studies were reassuring, and there was no evidence of harm. This highlights the importance of educating yourself about the ingredients in the products you use and ensuring they are safe. It is important to understand that only a small amount of sunscreen is absorbed through the skin. There is currently no clear, scientifically supported opinion that suggests that common chemical sunscreens are harmful to health. However, some people choose to use mineral sunscreen ingredients such as zinc oxide because although they do not provide as good protection against UV radiation from the sun, it cannot be absorbed through the skin. However, there's a kind of middle ground. There is a chemical sunscreen ingredient called bimotrizinol that provides excellent UV protection and is not absorbed through the skin due to its large molecular size. This offers the best of both worlds. Furthermore, there is no other sunscreen ingredient in the world that has been tested as comprehensively as bimotrizinol. This highlights the importance of educating yourself about the ingredients in the products you use and ensuring they are safe. After applying moisturizer, a sunscreen containing bimotrizinol could be applied. Please note, when using sunscreen daily, it is advisable to take about 1,000 international units of vitamin D3, combined with vitamin K. This not only serves to prevent a possible deficiency, but also ensures that calcium is transported quickly from the blood to the bones. Normally, we need a certain amount of sunlight, more specifically UVB rays, to produce vitamin D in our skin. However, it would be even better to adjust the dose individually based on measuring your own vitamin D3 level. This ensures an exact dosage tailored to your personal needs. Another skin health strategy is diet. Although no diet is perfect for everyone, current guidelines recommend a Mediterranean diet. This is rich in plant foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, herbs, nuts, beans, and whole grains, with moderate amounts of seafood, dairy products, poultry and eggs, and occasional red meat. This type of diet is associated with good skin health. The importance of nutrition to the health of our skin cannot be overemphasized. However, there are some basics. We should aim for a high-protein, lean diet with lots of fiber and lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. We should also replace saturated fats with unsaturated fats, such as extra virgin olive oil, walnuts, almonds, and avocados. Another important unsaturated fat that is important for skin health is omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids can help protect skin from sun damage, reduce inflammation, and slow skin aging. They are found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, as well as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. After breakfast, another skincare strategy comes into play: taking collagen peptide supplements. We know from several randomized controlled trials that collagen peptide supplements can reduce skin wrinkles by around 8%. Collagen peptide supplements chop up the long collagen strands into shorter amino acid chains to aid absorption. Critics of collagen peptide supplements argue that we supply the body with amino acids that can also be obtained from proteins. However, it is important to note that collagen peptides provide specific amino acids that are particularly important for skin health. If your diet already contains adequate protein, collagen peptide supplements may not be beneficial. But here's the problem. Our bodies have special peptide transporters that can absorb these peptides that actually get into our skin. This is explained beautifully in a 2023 systematic review that focuses on collagen peptide supplements for skin health. This review combined 26 randomized controlled trials involving 721 patients. It further explains that people actually absorb these peptides and they reach the skin. Therefore, it is not surprising that when these studies are combined, we see significant improvements in skin hydration and skin elasticity. To go further on this point, a study was conducted in 2020 that looked at collagen peptide supplements and compared them to protein supplements to see what effect this would have on wound healing. They found that the wound healing rate was significantly higher after taking collagen peptide supplements compared to protein. For this reason, you could take between 10 and 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen every morning, depending on your needs. The next supplement we should consider is hyaluronic acid. And here we're talking about the supplement, not the skin cream. A 75-year-old only has about a quarter of the hyaluronic acid in his skin compared to a 19-year-old. That's why we want to restore these values. We possess remarkable data from randomized controlled trials demonstrating an approximate 18% reduction in skin wrinkles through hyaluronic acid supplementation. Importantly, these studies were devoid of conflicts of interest. They were not funded by supplement companies. Moreover, the abundance of these randomized controlled trials reaffirms this finding. One concern circulating on social media regarding hyaluronic acid supplements revolves around their potential to spur cancer growth. However, a 2014 study administering hyaluronic acid supplements to mice already afflicted with cancer revealed no alteration in cancer growth due to the supplements. Hyaluronic acid preparations are available in different molecular weights. However, it appears that our gut bacteria break down hyaluronic acid into low molecular weight acids to improve absorption. A typical morning routine might look like this. After showering, first apply moisturizer, then wait a few minutes and then apply sunscreen. Then, after breakfast, take collagen peptide supplements, followed by a dietary supplement that contains hyaluronic acid. Another strategy to maintain our skin health is exercise. An interesting article published this year compared resistance exercise to aerobic exercise and their effects on skin health. It was a 16-week randomized controlled trial in 61 healthy middle-aged women. They found that both types of exercise improved skin elasticity, but only resistance exercise improved skin thickness. This reinforces the point that in addition to aerobic exercise, resistance exercise is also important for cardiovascular health. We have to lift weights. It also emphasizes that our internal health is reflected in our skin on the outside. The last strategies we will talk about today are night creams. The first cream to use is a retinoid cream. Retinoids stimulate our skin-forming cells and also improve the blood supply to our skin. We know from several randomized controlled trials that using retinoid creams can reduce skin wrinkles. However, you need to be careful when you start using these creams. They can irritate the skin, so it's important to only use them every second or third night and apply sunscreen in the morning. There are two main types, adapalene and tretinoin. Both seem to work equally well, but adapalene is less irritating to the skin. Another addition to night creams, lactic acid and glycolic acid are exfoliating ingredients. According to the guidelines, these acids attack the deeper layers of the skin with prolonged use. However, they support the regeneration of collagen and elastin and can make fine lines less visible. We have listed many creams and supplements here, which is usually not our first choice. However, we wanted to provide a complete picture of the state of research in this area. In general, we recommend focusing on a healthy lifestyle rather than optimizing your external appearance with creams and nutritional supplements. However, why not combine both and keep yourself young and fit inside and out, so to speak? That wraps up today's episode. We sincerely value your attention and trust that we've introduced something fresh to your understanding. Remember, our skin reflects our inner health. Until next time, take care.